Hello everybody, another day, another test. This time it is FujiNet test number 10, reading and writing to an ATR disk image being hosted over the network on a TNFS server. And yes, if you've caught it, Atari Wi-Fi is now known as FujiNet. We have here a 1200XL. We have our Atari Wi-Fi device plugged into the back of my 1050. Why will become evident in just a moment. And so we're actually going to take and boot a copy of MyDOS over the network. Apologies for that, I had to reset the TNFS device. Still being worked on, folks. You can see right here, booted in, and we're in BASIC. So let's go ahead and test the read-write functionality real quick. We'll test it by saving a copy of the program we just wrote. Okay, you can see that worked out just fine, and if we actually go to DOS, we'll see, if we look at the directory, there's our basic program. And if we go ahead, we can run it again. Just as if it was running from a typical disk drive. No problem here, and MyDOS doesn't know the difference. So, we'll go ahead. We don't have to stop there. Let's add a little twist to this. Right here, we have a 1050. The 1050 has a disk in the drive. The disk contains a whole stack of games. And in fact, I will go ahead and lock all the games that are on here just to kind of get that working right. And we will actually unlock menu.xax real quick. Let's have a look. And we will take and duplicate that from the floppy drive onto the drive that's on the network. Since we do have the BASIC cartridge enabled, we have approximately 30K or so worth of space to do our sector copy in, so this will take approximately 4 passes. Now you will see here that the writes are pretty fast, if a tiny bit inconsistent. That's because virtually nothing is optimized at the moment. I am currently sending everything over as individual UDP packets, 128 bytes in length, plus a little header in front of them. There is no read or write ahead yet. So with the addition of a little bit of read and write ahead, this will improve performance not just over the local network, but over internet connections considerably. As you can see, we're just pushing right along. Writing the data to the network. And as it happens, you can see information come across here. Right now nothing's being written, but as the writes start happening, you will start to see the status update. See? Almost done. We probably have another pass and a half to go. Yep, final pass. Right here. As we can see, completed, and for the final cherry on the top, we will rename menu.xex to auto run AR0. There it is, our finished game disk. And if we turn off, we'll boot from it. Now I'm going to put the phone down for just a moment so I can reposition my hands to hit the Option key. And there we go. Ready to go. I'm actually curious to see if the new Moon Patrol will work here. Let's try it out. And yes, I do need to put the UAV upgrade into my 1200 XL. It's very noisy. There we go. Doing great. What do you think, guys?